Hi, I am Kiran Kumar. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I had done my MTech in CS stream from JNT Kakinada in the year 2015. I worked as a lecturer in computer science and had over 7 years of experience. When I was searching for a job, I came to know about Evision Technoserve Private Limited. It is India's number one leading IT and consultancy outsourcing company. I joined full-day job internship program on 9th February 2021. There are various modules covered in this program like Windows Server Administration. The topics covered in this module are Windows Deployment Services, Active Directory Domain Services, Domain Name System, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, Remote Desktop, Printer Services, and Outlook Mail. In the virtualization module, there are different types of virtualizations being explained, like desktop virtualization, server virtualization, storage virtualization, application virtualization. In the CCNA routing and switching module, different types of dynamic routing protocols were being taught through packet tracer tool. The protocols were RIP, RIPv2, BGP, IGRP, EIGRP, and OSPF. And the cloud computing module was also explained. ITIL concepts was explained, that is IT Infrastructure Library. In the Linux administration module, basic commands were being explained using CentOS operating system. The last one is like cyber security. Hacking concepts were being taught, and the types of attacks and the types of viruses using Kali Linux tool. Trainers were well experienced and they taught me with hands-on experience using lab environments in each and every module and every topic. Mock interviews were conducted at the end of every module. By conducting those mock interviews, I came to know that I was lagging somewhere in some of the topics and I refined myself. By joining this OJT full day job internship program, I had gained a lot of experience, and that experience is equal to 1 year real-time environment in an IT MNC company. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, and I can add value to the company for their future growth and development. Have a nice day.